Yeah, here we are in the tree.
Give us the rundown.
Yeah, where are we?
We're 35 feet off the ground in the Arboretum.
World keeps spinning round.
An unknown location.
How did we get here? I'm scared.
Coordinates
Where we're
unknown.
headed, no one
But
knows. But the sun above still shining down.
just check it out. We
Where
got
today leads, I will go.
the last two trees.
And if you're with me, I will smile.
Complicated,
see it.
complex engineering.
But if you're not, then I'll smile too. For the love inside will still be
Is
there.
that really right?
Yeah, it's really
Where it
Yeah,
always
opposite.
is.
Yeah, now. Do you think?
Down
Yeah.
inside.
Anyway, can we splice these all together?
We'll get all angles. Cinematography.
Why do you have the light?
Because I couldn't see.
So I will live life day by day.
Yeah.
Let each moment flow right.
What the fuck drank all the milk?
It's cold tonight.
And as the hours
Like a survival
pass,
video.
Day one in the tree.
I'll forget to think of you.
So we're gonna.
And if
Pretty
you're
soon
with
we're
me,
gonna
I
have
will
something
smile.
about
But if
cut
you're
off
not,
a bit
then
of
I'll
legs for
smile
us
too.
to feed the rest of us.
For the love inside will still be
I gotta go.
I think it might be shy.
Don't eat me.
With those huge
down
legs.
inside.
Got that on video. If he doesn't come out alive, that's why.
That.
Beautiful sunset. Nature. How exciting.